Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video I'm going to guide you through how to log into your TJX credit card account. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up your web browser to begin. In the search box that appears at the top of the screen, type in TJX credit card login and press enter on your keyboard. You end up in the search results displayed on the next page. Click on this check icon synchrony link at the top of the screen and you'll end up in the login area for your TJX Made card account. Type in the usual ID into the first text box. Now head over to the next field and type in your password correct. You can double check a password by clicking on this little show link or the icon at the right corner. If you want the system to remember your user ID, check this Remember User ID box and see to log into your account before logging in. If you're using a public device or a shared mobile device, leave this box unchecked for your security. In case you don't remember user ID, you can click on I forgot my user ID link and follow the instructions. Similarly, if you happen to forget your password, click on the password link and follow the answer in prompts in order to reset to a new password. Finally, after typing in all the information is correct, click on the Secure Login button and that is how you'll be able to log into your TJX credit card account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.